आज गुरुदेव के हाथों के द्वारा न्यूज़ एंड व्यूज़ करके एक पोर्टल का लॉन्चिंग हो रहा है। ये सेंटर ऑफ राइट नैरेटिव मीडिया है और इसकी जो टीम है रॉबिन, अनिल कोहली, जेमिन, बहुत ही डायनामिक टीम बॉम्बे से है। अक्सर हम देखते हैं कि मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में सच को झूठ और झूठ को सच बनाते रहते हैं, तो उसका दूसरा पहलू क्या है उसको दिखाने की इस पोर्टल के द्वारा कोशिश की जाएगी। सो वी वेलकम जेमिन एंड ऑल द टीम।
that 11 seconds का जो है ये रखा हुआ है आपका।
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Media has two roles to play. One is to keep the facts in front of the people. Keep the facts as it is. Not biased, not with glasses. If media wears a glass and if everything looks yellow, then there is problem. If media is wearing a green glass or red glass, everything looks like that. Media should have a clear eyes, clean eyes, and a clean heart to place the facts, not distort them for their political or whatever reason. Number one. The second responsibility media has is to inspire people. It's not enough to place the facts. Sometimes facts can be so depressing. And you cannot, the first thing anyone does is morning or keep, whether they think of God or not, they look for newspaper. Especially men in the house. Women look only in the afternoon. But men look in the newspaper first thing in the morning. And youngsters. And what do? When they read through and they see only negative, then it is so depressing. It could be so depressive. So, media need to not just only bring depression, but inspire people to do something good in life. Balance it with the facts and with inspiration. These two roles media has to play. And I'm sure that today people are with more awareness, more commitment for the betterment of society are taking part in this with social media around and with the right intention and right mindset. Media had to improve. And it will improve. I'm sure it will happen. In the World Culture Festival, many people ask me this question, why Indian media is so negative? I said, perhaps they don't realize that they are negative. They don't realize that they are negative. So here is something that would bring the truth out and congratulate the team here. Doing very good. बहुत अच्छा. You want to say something?
Robin would like to speak about the marketing and strategy of the portal.
Okay.
Today is a great evening for us. One, for the simple reason कि श्री श्री गुरु जी न्यूज़ एंड व्यूज़ का लॉन्च किया है, और दूसरा ये एक हम लोग के लिए एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी आज से शुरू हो रही है. अभी तक हम लोग ने पिछले कई सालों से जो भी ऐसी न्यूज़ रही है जो नेशन बिल्डिंग में सपोर्टिव नहीं थी, उसके लिए हम लोग ने आवाज़ उठाई थी सोशल मीडिया पे. अब हम खुद एक सोशल मीडिया न्यूज़ का प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करके वी आर कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेशन. सो दैट इज़ वेयर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स नाउ फॉर द एंटायर टीम. This is a new and different format in a very simple way where we are encouraging all the experienced people from different industry vertical to come up and share their experience in terms of what can be better for the nation, what could be helpful in terms of policy making for the government. Very, very little to do with something which is not going to be a part of nation building. It's right from the word go, nation building, constructive news, and that is it, what we are interested into. Small little tidbits which people keep doing, we are going to ignore and we will never pay attention to it because the entire focus has been very clear and the inspiration has come from so many years of experience of so many people who have shared with us on social media, and hence www.newsandviews.online is launched with Guruji's blessings. Few names I would like to announce over here who have really motivated us to reach this level. One, Mr. Anil Kohli. His Twitter handle was blocked during Congress time. So he's been a big source of inspiration for transparent news and views. He's inspired us for do this. Jamin Panchal, no words to express what amount of energy level and experience he brings into the team. Durgesh Wagle, he's been with Times Now. He's a consultant for video interviews and all. The first video interview which you would see of Chief Minister Devin Furness is recorded by him. Another gentleman, Divyesh Thakkar, he is from the production and editing side. Vajanti, another journalist and consultant for Western India, advocate VB Singh for legal. Satish Raul, this one very nice thing, Guruji, you would really like. There's a small child of 6th standard. He will be doing the cartoons for the portal. He's got talent and we are giving him chance over here. And this is the intention which we want to show any talent which can be, used and showcased in front of the nation. We'll be using them. Himanshu Tanna for IT. Chandrasekhar Jagawat is here, our CA, who has guided us a lot.
Brilliant people have come together.
Thanks a lot.
More will join. All the best for this channel.
Well, as a vote of thanks, first of all, I would like to thank to Guruji for giving us the blessing and also in his speech giving us the direction how to be positive and thus be a mainstream media and not to be negative, irrelevant media, which is currently online. And with this, I also like to thank all the vocal and silent supporters, the entire team of AOL who actually worked more than us to get onto this platform and get this news and views the traction it has. I would like to thank one and all, and even you for your wishes and blessings. Thanks a lot. And once again, thank you, Guruji.